Hi there, and welcome back.
Uh-huh.
Ever heard of PDFs? Of course you have. There may be several reasons why we'd want to convert our document into a PDF. Not only is the PDF good for preventing edits, but also it makes sure that the document looks as it should, no matter what system your recipient is using. This might look familiar to you if you've seen the sharing information video. For starters, you can send your document in PDF format by email. This one is especially good if edits are still needed. You get to keep the editable version in M-Files, and the PDF is directly attached to an email. After receiving comments, you can just go into M-Files and modify the original one. You can also save a document as a PDF file. This is good for situations where you don't necessarily need to send the PDF yet, but want to store it somewhere on your computer, on a shared drive, or some other system. With these two convert options, we get to keep the PDF in M-Files. If you don't need the original file anymore and want to convert it, then this is your go-to option. Use this one if the PDF is meant to be the final version and no edits are expected. But of course, should you for some reason still need the original one, you can find it from the version history. If you want to keep the original file, but also want to convert it, then you are free to do so. This will also convert the file into a multi-file document, which will contain your original document as well as the PDF version. And now, for the final act. Converting to PDF via workflows. Some workflows are able to convert your document into a PDF when the state is changed. This can happen in the beginning, in the middle, or in the end of the workflow, depending on how it's configured. Same options apply here. We can either convert the file into PDF by replacing it, or by turning the document into a multi-file document which will contain the original file and the file in PDF format. For example, we could turn approved operating procedures into PDFs so that they're nicer to read by our employees. I hope I was able to convert you, but not into a PDF, of course. If you feel ready to take the next step on your journey, then follow me, and together we'll conquer the world of document management.